So hello guys, this is my first video on this channel, so welcome. Today we will develop our first ever Android application. So let's start with a smile. So first of all, I will tell you how to download and install Android Studio. So let's start. Just open the browser and search here Android Studio. Then click on this link, install Android Studio. Just go down and download the latest version of Android Studio. Click on that link. Just download from here. Okay, so I have already downloaded Android Studio latest version, so no need to download again. Just let's start the programming. So here is my Android Studio, and these are some existing projects. Let's not bother about this. Just click on start a new Android Studio project. So here it comes. Select empty activity. All those options are later we will discuss. Just name your project my first ever Android application. As you wish, you can take your own. So package name, take it simple only. Then select Java, not Kotlin, because we are learning this video only on Java. Next, finish. So loading project, wait for some time. So here Android Studio automatically creates a default activity, main activity for us, so no need to bother, and a layout file also. So here is our main activity, here is our layout file. Let's change the view to project view. Okay, nice. So here is our main activity, here is our activity main layout file, which is XML, which is nothing but UI. So first of all, let's do some work with UI file. Yes, so let's add this image view to our layout. Just add it, set the constant as full as it. Okay, and here set the constants, otherwise you will get an error like constants are not set and all. Okay, so that's it. This is the complete UI part we will develop today. I know it's a small part, for first ever Android application it's enough. So here we have only one activity and only one UI file. Otherwise you can add a button here and send user to another activity to see the image. You cannot. So let's delete this. Add a button. Just add the button, keep it at center. Okay, just name the button as show image as you wish. Set the constants. Oh, it's not centered. Okay, no problem, it's your wish. Designing is least bothered. So this is our button. Constants are all set, and the button ID is okay, button, no problem. So that's it about UI. You can design it later, no issues. So let's initialize this button. Here private button, image button, whatever you can take. Let's take show button, show image. Okay, and initialize the button here inside onCreate method. Find view ID, add id dot button. Okay, so that's it. Button is initialized, and whenever the user clicks on the button, what will happen? So here So image dot set on click listener view new view dot on click listener. Here we have to write the logic what will happen when user press the show image button. Okay, so here let's create another method, private void send user to image viewer activity. Anything you can take, it's your wish. Just we are taking another method to send that user to another activity. So let's create an intent here. So intent is equal to new intent of, okay, intent is equal to new intent of. You are here, you have to pass two things. One is context, which is nothing but this activity, comma, where you have to send, you have to mention that activity also. So let's create another activity, image viewer activity, you can say. So image viewer activity, generate layout file. Okay, select Java, finish. So we have created, so we can now pass that activity class name inside intent. Okay, so here write image viewer activity dot class. So next, start activity and call start activity method and pass intent object, which we have created. Okay, that's it. This is all about. And yes, yeah, here mention send user to image viewer activity. That's it completely. All about the button and all. Let's design the UI first for image viewer activity. Let's add an image view. Okay, uh, okay, set this as we have previously did. Set the constant as full, um, make it always 0. Okay, nice. And okay, 0, perfect. uh, Image view, id image view. Okay, fine. Let's go to image viewer activity Java. Here declare a reference variable of image view, private image view. Okay, image view. Okay, just initialize image view here. Image view is equal to find view by id, then r.id dot image view, that id we have mentioned there. Okay, so image view is initialized. So let's add an image which we will show inside in our image viewer activity. So let's take this image, just copy this and just paste inside this drawable folder. Okay, this is mandatory. Okay, nice, just paste it. Now one more thing, you have to add Picasso library. Yeah, you can say Picasso class dependency. Okay, wait, I have just pasted here. Okay, this. Okay, this dependency is all about Picasso class, Picasso library and all. So open build.gradle, just paste that here. Okay, that's it. Click on sync now, so that your Gradle will be synchronized with new dependencies. That's it. Okay, and call Picasso. Okay, Picasso. I think. Okay, Picasso dot get dot load. Okay, maybe it's taking input as drawable. Let's see. Okay, into image view. Okay, wherever you want to load that image file. Okay, so here get resources dot get drawable. Inside get drawable, you have to pass r.id. Maybe. Okay, let's see. Dot no, it's showing error. Okay, not r.id, r.drawable dot my image. Okay, fine. Okay, it's showing error again, that using string value. Okay, it's taking only string input. No issues. Let's do something new. Okay, delete all these. delete this also. Okay, just give add.dribble.myimage. okay, fine, just that's it, run it. I'm using emulator. You can use your mobile to debug the application. Okay, because you can see here emulator startup is very slow than mobile, so better to debug with mobile phones only. So we have to wait for a bit time. Okay, I am using emulator here because I have to show the output to you people only. Okay, so okay, Gradle build is finished. Okay, installed successfully, so no error here. Okay, we build it successfully. Okay, here is our application main activity. Just click on this button. Okay, wait, so image is coming, guys. Fine, so we built our first ever Android application, and I hope you guys will also enjoy this video like anything. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for next programming languages videos and Android development also. So happy coding, guys.